working as a team in Owode. You can check it out. We still have a good record in terms of security in Owode-Egba. Though there's a lot of incidents around towards Ibadan, which is still under Obafemi local government. But my DPO is working. DPO Popola is working, and my area commander too. All the security agencies around my community, they are doing their best. Both the local, hunter, and others. We are working in terms of security. We don't take nonsense around here. You know, we battle with Lagos. We know that, we know, but in terms of security, Lagos is good too. Therefore, the two states is one of the best states in Southwest. I put it that way, in terms of security development and all that. So look at Ogun State now. You know, we are growing. People want to work with us. People want to come here and, you know, and invest in Ogun State. Look at our airports. Good things is good. These are all over Ogun State now. You know, once again, I have to give it to Governor Dapo Abiodun because, you know, he live in US. He's a Western man. He knows the meaning of what he's doing. He knows the benefit. He knows what airport can bring to his state and other companies that are coming up in Ogun State. Therefore, it's because security is paramount here. That is why you see a lot of people coming up to invest here. We thank God for his life, and we thank God for the people of Ogun State. I'm proud. Thank you.
Obviously, come after the lot of them. Okay. You will carry more like
okay.
And when I was with Arizilari Karika about me, with the Yaquetin Menuba, I want the Cotoca more, Lodi, Garapata, Goria, and Valani. Tara there for Julie. To go for one, 2, they believe. Papa, I want to get the body loan, but they want to kind of a said, see, I want to say, I think what to look at Valani, and you come on level, come on. The Swagger got to get to move back, you would have to go down Valani.
You know me to go. But mo ṣe 30 years anniversary. Mo fi àwọn mates kan, mo fi joyè. Gbogbo America, London náà ti wá. Wọ́n rí àdúgbò mi. Wọ́n rí gbogbo nǹkan tá à ń ṣe. Àwa jọ ti wá dá group kan sílẹ̀ fún ìdàgbàsókè Owode-Egba. We are working láti ní ọjà tuntun. Which mo ti bá chairman mi sọ. Àdì mo nílẹ̀ kan tí mo fowó mi rà o tí mo fẹ́ gbé sílẹ̀ ká fi kọ́ ọjà tuntun fún Owode-Egba. Then mo tún wá fi àsìkò yìí tún bẹ governor mi because Oliver Twist ní wá Owode-Egba. I need the commercial bank. Owode-Egba need commercial bank because I need all it takes láti ní. I need police headquarters ń bí, I need area command ń bí, I need headquarters àwọn DSS ń bí. A ní security àwọn safe kan gbogbo náà wà ń bí. Àwọn community wá dẹ̀ ready. Fẹ́ máa lọ sábẹ́kúta lọ Ṣàgámù máa lọ gbowó. Ó máa save epo, ó máa save accident, ó máa save olè. Therefore, please, excellency, ẹ ti ṣe títì wẹ̀ ti fún wa níná. Ẹ bá wa rò ó pa. Mo rí báńkì kan tẹ́ wá sí lókè léwó. Mo dísòro kábíyèsí excellency sà. Ẹ bá ro àwọn CEO wọn sọ̀rọ̀. Owódé tóbi tó. Láti ní commercial bank, factory ti yí wa ká, àwọn villages ti yí wa ká, táwọn baálẹ̀ náà pọ̀ ń bẹ̀rẹ̀ pẹ́tẹ́. Abẹ gómìnà wa àbí ẹnikẹ́ni tó lè ràn wá lọ́wọ́ kó wá àti try títí excuses wọn lójú tèmi ò genuine. Bank ò ṣe ó sọ̀lúdẹ̀rọ̀ ni kì í ṣe pé gbogbo bank máa wà lójú kan. Tí security ò bá dáa àwa beef up lówódé yìí kò sí tó fẹ́ ṣẹlẹ̀. Wọ́n tẹ Owódé kì í yọ̀yàn nígbà òjò gbẹrun ni. O ò lè jalè bí ká má mú ẹ. O ò lè dáná Owódé káṣírí ẹ má tú. Therefore, ìṣẹ̀ṣe làgbà. Abẹ excellency ẹ bá ronú pa commercial bank o. Ìyẹn la tún bẹ̀yìn fún sìyàn ẹ ṣé gan-an. Títì wa ló tiẹ̀ tó wá gùn jù wo títì tí gómìnà ṣe lẹ́yìn tí ọ̀nà Ìbàdàn yẹn nínú ọ̀nà inú housing òkè ata ìyẹn gùngàn gómìnà ṣe wọ́n dá mọ́ gbàbẹ̀ ńjọ́kọ̀ gósùlù wá mú wa lọ́gbà tá a bọ̀ láti ibi sáìdì iléèwé ìran tá a gbàbẹ̀ títí yẹn gùsà gómìnà thank you for that. Owódé náà gùn o ẹ ṣe gan-an ni lẹ́yìn fi gan Ọbáfẹ́mi Awódé local government àwọn lágbádùn yín ju nípa títì àti development ọ̀dọ̀ wa ló pọ̀ jù sí adúpẹ́ lọ́wọ́ yín o excellency keep the good work rolling àti gbogbo team tó ń bá wọn ṣiṣẹ́ SSG good job chief of staff all the commissioners our chairman and all that stuff local government thank you. I'm proud. Governor is working. Thank you.
Hey, thanks for watching this video. Subscribe on our YouTube channel. Subscription is free. You can call us on 0080597807 for your event coverage. Thanks.